Another day, another English lesson. Order of actions. I plus future plus after I finish plus gerund. Hello. Sometimes we need to say that we will do one action after another. One useful structure to express this is am going to plus verb plus after I finish plus gerund. The choice between will and am going to depends on whether the action is a new decision or previously planned. Let's see how they work in short conversations. Use will for a new decision you make at that moment. A. My computer isn't working. B. Don't worry, I'll help you after I finish sending this message. Use am going to for a plan you decided earlier. A. Are you still planning your trip to the bank? B. Yes, I'm going to go after I finish drinking my coffee. You can also use once instead of after. It means the same and works in the same way. I'll call you once I finish working. I'm going to make dinner once I finish cleaning. This structure gives you a clear and natural way to explain the order of your actions. Remembering the small difference between will and be going to also helps your English sound more precise. Now, watch and fill in the blanks with the correct verb forms, future and gerund. Use the verbs in parentheses. The verbs aren't always in the correct order.
The phone's ringing. Can you get it?
I'll get it after I finish drying my hands.
Do you want to go out for coffee?
Yes, I'll go once I finish writing this email.
Are you planning to wash the car today?
Yes, I'm going to wash it after I finish eating lunch.
Could you check my report today?
Of course. I'll check it after I finish meeting with my boss.
What are your plans for this evening?
I'm going to cook dinner after I finish shopping for groceries.
Can you help me move these boxes?
Sure, I'll help you after I finish cleaning the kitchen.
When are you going to watch that new show?
I'm going to watch it once I finish reading this book.
Are you free after work?
Not right away. I'm going to call my mom after I finish working.
Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.